Hello! So today we're doing a hand washing tutorial by a surgeon. So first step is I always turn on the water first because if you have soap in your hand and you're trying to turn on the water, it can be a little difficult. So I turn the water on first. So here I've turned the water on and I'm getting some pumps of soap. So important when you're washing the hands to make sure you have adequate soap. Also, really important to emphasize scrubbing the outside surfaces of the hands. So much emphasis is often put on scrubbing kind of the inner surfaces or the palmar surfaces, but really the outside surface is super important and that's often neglected. The other thing too you'll notice is when I scrub actually, I am scrubbing the inner aspects of the fingers as well. That's also often neglected. So really getting thoroughly between the fingers as I'm washing, and again, shown here, you can see that I'm actually washing the outside surfaces of the hand. The other thing I want to emphasize is whenever I'm washing my hands, I actually like to wash the forearm. So essentially, I'm washing almost up to the elbow level. And that just helps to make sure that everything's getting completely clean because especially if you're wearing a short sleeve and things like that, it's really not just your hands that are interacting with the environment. So I get as high as possible. And I'm doing this in 2 rounds. So this is my second round of washing. You can see here what I'm doing is actually scrubbing my fingernails because a lot of dirt and debris can get stuck there. Again, here washing thoroughly between the fingers and focusing also on the outside surface of the hands. Again, so much emphasis is often put on the palmar surface or the inner part of the hand that oftentimes people forget that it's so important to scrub the extensor surfaces or the outside of the hand as well. So really just kind of doing this repetitively and then doing my final rinse here again up to the level almost of the elbow. And I like to use the paper towel and kind of scrub with it. And what that does is it helps me get dry, but also kind of helps me remove any residual dirt or debris. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone's staying safe.